In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your engine air filter on this Honda Civic. It's located inside the air box on the driver's side of your engine bay, so let's get started. There are 4 metal clips that we have to unclip around the top of the air box, 2 on the front and 2 on the side. Doing that will allow us to pull the top right up and off. The mass airflow sensor is still connected, so all I will do is flip this over, and you can remove the air filter. Take your new one, make sure it's facing the right direction, and because it has this cutout, you really can't put it on backwards anyway. But make sure it is seated fully so that this seal around can provide a nice water and airtight seal so that no debris gets in. Perfect. Take the cap, slide it back on the snorkel in the back there. Press it down, wiggle it until it feels like it's seated. Clip this over. If the metal tabs don't click in, that means the cap isn't lined up and you'll have to take it off and reseat it because something must be wrong with the positioning of the filter. There you go, job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.